Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can edit your TikTok videos after posting. So let's go to profile. Okay, so here I posted few videos, so let's edit this one. Okay, to edit, what you have to do, just open your video, then on the right side you will see these three horizontal dots. Tap there. Okay, you will see this pop-up. Now on the bottom, slide right until you see edit post. Tap on it. Okay, now you can edit the caption, you can edit the cover. Okay, and once you are done, hit the save button. But note, you can edit your description and cover once a day only, and edit can be made only within 7 days of posting. If it's later than 7 days, you can't do editing. Okay, so this is done. Okay, suppose you want to edit entire video, you want to change the music, then what you can do, tap on these three horizontal dots, then slide right, go till the end. You will see delete. Tap on delete. Tap on delete and re-edit. But with this option, your video will be deleted. So be careful with this. Okay, now you can edit however you want. Okay, all the options are now available for you. So once you are done, again you can add music, whatever music you want, and you can share it to TikTok. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can edit your TikTok videos. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you on the next video.